Did you post today? Did you post a video today? That's the only question I have for you. Did you post your video today? Welcome to the monetized community, where we help you grow your channel as you grow your life. And I asked you that question, and I'm serious about it. Did you post today? Because so many people are saying that they want to be monetized. They want to get to 500 subscribers or 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, but you're not posting videos. Did you post today? And if you didn't post today, turn the video off. I don't care. I'm not worried about people watching the video. I'm concerned about you. Did you post today? Because if you didn't post today, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? You're waiting for the right time? You're waiting for the right camera? You're waiting for the right, the right background? Look where I'm at. I'm sitting on my chair. It took me 2 years to realize I can post a video just using my camera. What are you waiting for? It took me 2 years to realize I can use my phone, the microphone on my phone, and post a video. What are you waiting for? What excuse do you have now for not posting? You have a phone because you're looking at me on your phone. You have a camera on your phone. What are you waiting for? Did you post today? You have the access to post a video today. You don't know what you're going to talk about. You got access to talk about anything you want to talk about just to get started. It doesn't matter how you get started, but just to get started. Turn your camera phone on and turn on the camera and just start talking. Upload the video. Your first video is going to be the worst video that you post anyway. Post a video. I'm getting excited because I know you have it within you. You've been thinking about posting for a long time. You got the ideas inside of you, but you're procrastinating with that little voice telling you, you got to be perfect. You don't have to be perfect. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Type in the comment section what you was waiting for to post a video. And it better not be, I don't have a camera. It better not be, I don't have a microphone. It better be something like, I broke my leg and I can't talk. It better be something like that. It better not be you don't have a camera or a phone. What are you waiting for? Because I know you have it within you to post these videos, to make great content, to make content so good that when people come and hear you, they will feel you when they hear you. They will realize that you have such a great gift, they gotta resonate with you and they're gonna rock with you. Let me get comfortable here. They're gonna rock with you. Why? Because you are their answer that they were searching for so long. They've been searching for you for so long because you didn't post a video. That's why they were searching for so long. They said, we're looking for answers on Google because we know Google got all the answers. That Google takes them over to YouTube, and when YouTube tells the person that was searching the answer, they're gonna be like, oh man, YouTube got another subscriber. That person got another subscriber. But yet you waiting, thinking you gotta be perfect and gotta have a $2,000 camera and a $500 microphone before you even start filming. That's the plan of Mr. Procrastination that I was a part of for so many years. Just want you to realize and ask yourself the question, what am I waiting for? What am I waiting for? There's never going to be a perfect time than now to post a video. There's never going to be a perfect time than now to shoot your video with the ideas that you have in your mind now. Because the ideas you have in your mind now is birthing some greatness that you have now. Because everything you went through was a seed for your greatness to bear fruit. And the fruit that you're bearing now is waiting for you to record it and post it on YouTube. But you're so scared, and you so timid, saying, I don't know if people will watch it. Let me tell you something. People are waiting for you. People are waiting for you just to post a video to say they can make it. Just like I'm encouraging you to post a video, you're going to be encouraging people to go out of the situation or get out of the situation that they're in. Because you went through that same situation that you're going to talk to those people about to get out of that situation, because you got the scars to prove it. You got the scars to say you've been in that situation. So what are you waiting for? You believe in the doubt instead of believing your faith? I want you to doubt the doubt. The little voice that says you can't, listen to your heart that says you can. Type in the comment section, hashtag I can. Hashtag I can. Because you can do this. You can make that video. You can post that video. You can get those 500 to 1,000 subscribers in a month. Just like my last video, I gave you a challenge. Post 2 shorts a day. Post 2 shorts a day, 90 seconds each. 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon. In 7 days, you'll get 50 subscribers, and that is your key to go live. You just need 50 subscribers. If you accept that challenge, you will get the 50 subscribers, and you can go live in 10x your watch hours when you go live. That's a challenge if you accept it. But I don't know if you're going to accept it because you ain't even posting a video. You can't post a 90-second video twice a day, 3 minutes. You don't have 3 minutes to help those people that's assigned to you. Come on, man. What are you waiting for? I'm here to help you. The My Time community is here to help you because we help you grow your channel as you grow your life. And as you grow your life, your channel will grow. So I want you to grow your life. So will you please post a video today? Will you post that video that you have inside your heart that you was waiting to post, but something in your ear said, don't do it yet because it's not perfect? I want you to post a video. Come on, people waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. I know you have it in you. I'm waiting for you. And if you need help, type in the comment section, hashtag help me. And the My Time community is going to help you grow your channel as you grow your life. Because that's what we do. You can go farther as a group than you can go as an individual. No competition. It's only collaboration over here. The good vibrations is over here. Your help is over here. Because we help you grow your channel as you grow your life. Because like I tell everybody, this is my life. This is my experience. This is my time. So until the next video, I want you to post the video because you have it within you to do it.